back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this hair. It's kind of wavy, has a lot of body. I used it using my curling wand that you guys saw in my last hair tutorial when I curled my hair. This one, so I just wanted to show you guys that you can do different kind of curls with the same one. You have to buy like 1,000 curling wands. So this is the look I came up with, and if you want to see how I did this voluminous, curly, kind of wavy hair, you guys just stick around and watch the video.
So the first thing you want to do is separate your hair in two. I'm going to take a really small section. You can take like about this much. And then I'm going to take my curling iron. I use the same curling iron. I'm going to put the name down below, the full name and the model name. So you want to curl it. I'm going to curl it outward, so out of my face. I leave it on for about maybe 10 seconds and I release it, and this is how it should look. So as you can see, it's like really like more like a wave. So I'm just gonna separate my hair, put clips on right now because it was getting in the way. So again, you just want to brush it out, make sure it's smooth. You put the barrel on top so it goes outward, out of your face. You twist it, and then you wait about 10 seconds again. And you just release it, and it gives you a nice wave. What you want to do also is, I'm not doing a wave all the way up there, so I'm gonna go about to my ear level, twist it, so just have a nice wave at the bottom of my hair. So here I changed my shirt because I just wanted you to see how it looks, and right now I'm just gonna fast forward through the whole process so you guys can see the whole thing. So here I'm done half, so I'm just gonna brush my leave out with my hair extension so it just blends all together. So here you can see the finished look like when I did the half, and now we're gonna do the second half. So here I'm just gonna do the same thing, brush out my leave out with my extension. This is how it should look like when your hair is all done. It's all waved up. I decided to put a bit of hairspray. This one is just for the shine, really. You don't have to put as much as me, and also I just like the smell, that's why I put a little bit on my hair.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really like it. This is what I do when I just want like something fast and put something put together. I didn't do my edges because I'm trying to not put too much gel in my hair. As you guys can see, I didn't use any like products except for like hairspray, and I think I had a little bit of products already in my hair, so I don't want to add up to that. So yeah, this is the way it looks. It's really nice. You guys can always use like something more firm. My hairspray is really mostly just for the shine. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, put a like down below. You can always put a comment. I always answer my comments, and subscribe if you like my videos. I have a lot of different videos. I'm going to link the other tutorial for my other kind of curly hair down below if you guys want to see it. And for today, that is for this week, this is it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.